So, hi learners, welcome back. So, now in this lecture, we'll see how we can create a recruiter proof resume. Okay, and what's that? I will let you know. So, let's suppose this is my resume, which is just now we have created using Claude, but it's like it cannot be accepted by each and every recruiter, right? Because every recruiter have their own perspective. So, to ease our selection, what we'll do is we have this resume, we'll keep it, and again we'll come to Claude. And after coming to Claude, what we'll do is act as a senior recruiter who reviews 200 resume a day. Just now I have written a prompt like act as a senior recruiter who reviews 200 resumes a day. Rewrite my resume for position of days in days. After that, replace every responsibility with a measurable achievement. Eliminate everything generic and make my value impossible to ignore. Okay. And after this, what I will do is I will paste my resume here. Okay. So instead of pasting, I will write attached. Now let's suppose I am more keen towards Microsoft. So I will take for the position of senior software engineer in test. Okay. In which company? In Microsoft. So now you can replace this position and the company name with whatever the company name you are applying for. Okay. Let's suppose if you are applying for Google, then you can mention the position along with the name of that company. And please, means I will just suggest whatever the companies that you are going to apply, just create a resume based on that company so that it will be easy for you as well as for the recruiter to choose you out of large number of candidates. Okay, now I will attach my resume here. I have added my resume. I will hit send here. Let's see how it is creating the resume. Okay, because I have asked him to act as a senior recruiter who is reviewing 200 resumes a day. So it's a large number of resume, and let's see what other things that it is changing. Basically what we are doing is we are using the AI generated output, and again we are giving it as an input to another AI prompt. Okay, now while this is creating, what I will suggest is, let's suppose I will go to LinkedIn here and I am searching the company as Microsoft. I'll click here. Now I'll go to the job section, and in the job section I can see a position like software engineering test. So I will simply click there. So what I can do is I can just copy this position, this company name along with the job description. Whatever the things is written here, I can simply copy it and paste it in the cloud so that it can build our resume based on that JD also. And it is taking some time because as it is a senior recruiter, now it is installing docs and npm. Basically it will create a PDF file, I guess, and it will give us. The good thing for this is it takes time but it generates what you need. Okay, it's not like you have written the prompt and it is generating something else. So it will, I mean, out of most of the AI like ChatGPT or Copilot, mainly I use this because it is more accurate, we can say. Now as I have provided PDF file, it is trying to generate a Word document for this. Okay, the more it takes time the more it generates the output accurately. So now it has created the document file, and here we can see the core problem with the original was every bullet described what you did. Microsoft hiring bar demands proof of impact. Generic phrases like designed and maintained UI automation suites or executed full testing lifecycle are resume killer. So they describe job duties, not a candidate. Okay, so what they have changed is every responsibilities was replaced with a result, no exceptions. Like leveraged AI tool to auto generate test cases was changed to cut test design effort by 40% by integrating Copilot plus Cloud directly into the HLST/LLD review flow. Okay, after that, redesigned regression framework, 60% reduction in the regression cycle time, compressing a 5 day cycle to under 2 days. That's nice. Implemented N8N AI workflow. It has changed to 8 hours of manual overhead eliminated per sprint. After that, zero UAT escape defects with three recurring production defects permanently resolved. And after that, mentored 3 junior engineers, So it has written is all three now own independent guys BDD suits. Now simply what I'll do is on the right hand side, if you can see here, my name, everything is written, and it has done the color coding as well, and it's looking pretty well. So earlier I have a single page resume, but now we have two page resume, so we can use either of them. So I'm going to download this as well. Oh sorry, instead of clicking there, I can directly download it from here. And this is the second way to create. Okay, sorry, I'll give a space here. Okay, and this is the second resume creation. From now we'll see different kind of lectures which are more interesting and more impactful, so stay tuned.